What's the matter, little pig? Roxy, what you doing? Is Lexi playing with the puppies? Yes. They're all piling on her. Now she's got the upper hand. Bailey, look out. Lexi will get you back. Candy, you getting in there? You getting in there to bite her? You think she's your mama? Candy and Lily. What you doing, Lexi? They say play with us, Lexi. Play with us. Milo, do you like Lexi? Oh. Oh, she jumped away from you. What happened, Lily? Now you have to have a toy instead. Oh, Pee-Pee and Bailey. You Pee-Pee girl? Good girl. Where you going, Callie? What you doing, Callie? Oh, you gonna poop? Good girl. Look at you. Good girl, Candy. Good girl. And here's Lily running after. Everybody go get Lexi. And Tyler's toes. Everybody get Tyler's toes. Oh, toes. They're like little sausages. They're little sausages.
That doesn't mean you know better.
Lily, you playing with Lexi or you just going to eat with Lexi? Oh, yes, little Lily. Oh, Lily, you rolling over? What a good girl. And there's little Bella. Bella, what'd you do? Lay on top of her head? And here's Midnight, right with rocks, climbing under rocks, see? And there's old Milo plowing his way through with his big head. Oh, you getting Tyler's toes? You getting Tyler's toes, Candy? Oh, and there's little Bailey. Get those sausages. Eat them. Eat the sausages. Callie, you biting Tyler's toes? Oh, well, everybody's back in. Bella, Bailey, Candy, and Callie, and here comes Lily. Oh, but she's going to go see her daddy.
I don't know why he jumps in there. He can't get out.
I know. Well, he can. He jumped out the other day. Brady, you shouldn't jump in there if you don't want to be in there having him chase you around. Tyler have to pick you up. Big blob.
Come on, Brady.
Oof. Lulu, what you doing? Go get Tyler's toes. Oh, there, go around the corner. I can't see you now. Everybody chase Tyler. Kelly.
Look at you, you little chubby. Get out of here.
What you doing, Bella? You rolling over? You learning tricks? Oh, you're just gonna bite Lexi's ears. Yes. Bite those ears. Push your way in there. Lexi, she wants to play with you, Lexi.
Look at you. You like to.
Oh, do you guys like your ice water? Hey, Lulu. Callie and Lulu gonna get something to eat. Not for long, huh, Lulu? Oh, Lily's getting some water. Little Lily, little Lily. Oh, now you're going to get something to eat.
I don't think Lulu's the biggest one. Ow.
Lulu is the biggest.
It's
She's
hard to believe.
1 ounce bigger than Milo. I know. Look at him. Look at this. This is your boy, Milo, the little tank. He was 4 pounds, I think 13 ounces. 4 pounds of him was head. You got a big fat head, buddy.
No, Brady.
Push everybody out of the way. Get in the food bowl. Bailey, was that you growling at the food bowl? Look at her go.
Hey, guys. Pig.
What are you doing? What are you doing, Midnight? Look at you, buddy. Lexi, they think you're their mommy. They say, "You my mommy." You growling at him now? Well, don't stand there in the position of milking.
Brady. I don't know why you keep going in
What
there.
have you got down there, Brady? Oh, that's little Callie. She's underneath you, Brady. Look at her. She says, "Daddy, can you feed me?"
Brady. What does he want in there?
There's his balls right there. There's a ball tucked right down there. Candy and Callie we're upside down playing with Brady.
Come on.
Candy! Hey, big girl.
Brady.
Lily, you eating again? Roxy, who's playing with you? Is Candy playing with you? She says I was. Get her, Candy. Bounce on her. Bounce on her. What's the matter, Roxy? Are you tired? Are you tired? What you eating, Lily? Oops, I mean Lulu. What you eating, Lulu? Oh, Daddy's using the nail gun on the roof, huh? What are you doing, Midnight? Who you got pinned? You got poor little Candy pinned. Now Bella's gonna come over and get you, Candy. What you doing, Bella? Playing with your sister? Well, Lexi, if you don't want to play, get on out. You can jump out. Look at you two. Bella and Cat. Nope, Bella and... Oh, my goodness, it's Milo. Oh, Midnight and Roxy were giving kisses. And here's little Callie. 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 You got an itch? You got an itch? I'm gonna eat. Hi, Milo. Oh, you stretching out, buddy. Oh, big stretch. Big stretch trying to bite the flower. It's a dead dandelion, buddy. What you doing, Bailey? Oh, go get your sister. Oh. Hi, Bailey. Oh, you gonna lay down with Lulu? You and Lulu gonna sit there together? Bella, you just gonna get right in the food bowl? Callie says, well, if she's getting in the food bowl, then I'm gonna be standing in the food bowl. Oh, Candy, you going to sleep? What you doing, Candy? You gonna lay down for a little bit? Oh, Lily. Oh. What's Milo doing to you, Lily? Milo. Get him, Lily. Yeah, that's right. Get him, Lily. Bite his tail. Bite his tail. What'd you do in midnight? You chewing on a flower. I think that was the same one Milo was playing with a few minutes ago. Okay, Callie, that might be the lazy way of eating. You're laying beside the food bowl eating. Candy's sleeping. Roxy, you watching over her? Bailey, you going to take a little night-night? Bailey. Bailey. Whoop. No way, huh? This is our doggy transportation. We use a laundry basket. It's easy to carry them all out in one big laundry basket. Lulu, you with Roxy? Oh, there's a bumblebee. Careful the bumblebee. Oh, don't, it'll bite you, Roxy. Oh, did you eat it? I hope it don't sting ya. What you trying to do, Lily? Get out? Lily, you trying to get out? I don't think you can get out. Catching my shadow here. You gonna go dig your way out? Oh.